I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today we're going to unbox the Rascal Carbon Cruiser by Mega Motion, so stay tuned. This is the Carbon Cruiser by Rascal. Rascal is now owned by Mega Motion. So this is their lightweight folding carbon fiber power chair. So when you order it, it's going to come through either FedEx or UPS in a box like this. When we unbox it, I'm going to grab our knife. Remember to not cut into your box, cut upwards away. We're going to cut these straps. And then there's some staples holding the top in. So we're going to kind of lift those up. Be careful because on this side it's a little sharp. So I don't want you to cut yourself on the staples. And then when we open it up, we have our owner's manual right up front here. Then a piece of foam. And then here is the chair, just kind of sitting in there. It's already assembled, so this should be pretty easy. There's two ways you can do this. One, you can just lift it right up. It only weighs about 46 pounds or so with the battery in it. The other way, if you can't lift that 46 pounds straight up, you can turn it to the side and then slide it out this way. There we go. Tilt it up. So under here, this is our joystick in this box. We also have our battery kind of sitting in here like this. And then the cushion's already installed. Let me see if there's anything else in the box, because I think everything came out with it. No, that's it for the box. And then it looks like, let me get it out of this plastic. This is most likely our charger in here. And then it comes with a cup holder too. I assume that's going to be in our joystick box. So now I'm going to take a second, get rid of some of this packing material, and then we're going to unfold this unit. Now I have all the packing material out of the way, we're going to get to assembling the unit. What I'm going to do, since it's already sitting vertically, I find it a little easier to do the battery and the joystick right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and grab our battery right here. Then the battery is just going to slide in and latch shut. I'll have this in a video overlay as well. And it clicks in. Very easy. Next we're going to do the joystick. So in this box is our joystick, and I believe our cup holder too. Nope, just the joystick. Yo, there's a cup holder. It's in a separate box. So we'll start with the joystick. And then the joystick, we're going to slide in. If you're right-handed, it's going to go on the right-hand side. You can rewire it to the left-hand side. You'll just have to take the screw out and screw it in on this side. But you'll just slide it in. You might have to loosen this a little bit. Slide it in and then just tighten. Very easy. So joystick is in, battery's in. To unfold it, there is a Velcro strap down here that you can latch around the footplate. This does not have an actual latching mechanism, so it doesn't stay shut. So if you put the Velcro around the footplate, that'll keep it together when you lift it. If you undo the Velcro, it will unfold on its own. So what I like to do is grab the back handle here, and then you can kind of push down and let gravity do the work for you. Then it will just unfold. You'll hear it click, and it will latch shut in the outward position. It's this latch right here. You lift up on this, and then you can fold it again. So I got it latched just like that. Next I'll show you how to do the cup holder. Next we have the cup holder. It was in that other box. It looks like this. Then there should be a screw in there as well. First thing we're going to do is pop out this cap though. You want to get a flathead screwdriver or something like this. I just want to pop that out. There we go. And then this slides in like that. And then we take our screw. The screw is going to go right under here. So you can kind of see, yeah, looks like that. Then you'll tighten this until it holds down the cup holder. There we go. cup holders on, and we're good to go. While we're here, I did want to cover the joystick really quickly. In order to remove the joystick, there's a screw right here. You would just unscrew these, unplug it, and then you just unscrew the bottom. So if you're ever flying on a plane, you want to take the joystick with you, you can just slide it out like that. Tighten it back, line these up, and then tighten it again. One other little thing to cover is the battery. In order to remove it, there's a tab in the back here. You're going to loosen, and then it just slides out. This is the tab I'm talking about. You can also charge the battery from right here. If you ever want to leave the unit folded up in your vehicle and bring this inside to charge it, you can do that. To get it back in, just line it up on this track, slide it in, then you might have to pull back on that tab to get it to latch. But once it's in, it should stay in. You also have a nice little storage compartment underneath. I've gone over pretty much all the assembly or little things you need to know on this. Next we're going to do is we're going to check the power. So I'm going to turn the power on. And you hear that beeping sound? What that means, I'm going to turn that off, that means we're in neutral. So there is neutral levers in the back that allows you to freewheel the unit like this. It will not drive in freewheel. Because the freewheel disengages your electromagnetic brakes, you need the brakes engaged in order to drive. In order to take it out of freewheel is check these two red levers in the back. You're going to flip both of them up into the drive position or the lock position. That will engage your brakes. I turn the power on, and now I have power, and I can drive the unit around. This has been the unboxing and assembly of the Carbon Cruiser by Rascal. If you have any questions on this unit, you want to order one of these, I will have links in the description below, or you can always give us a call. We can find the best product for your needs if you're looking for a lightweight portable power chair. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.